Fires and explosions can happen at any moment. The heroes who bravely rush into danger without hesitation. Join us in today's video to gain a deeper understanding of their challenging and selfless work. On November 26, 2019, a truck caught fire on the A1 highway in the Oise region of France. Prior to the incident, the vehicle displayed abnormal acceleration, prompting police to signal the driver to stop. However, the driver did not respond and continued moving forward. The truck crashed directly into the Chamet toll barrier, igniting a massive fire.
Regarde, il va passer comme une balle. Regarde le ouf. Oh! Oh, ça mène.
Firefighters quickly arrived to extinguish the flames, while the 39-year-old driver was fortunate to sustain only minor injuries and was taken to the hospital. Notably, the driver claimed to have no memory of the incident, leaving the cause of the accident a mystery. A catastrophic explosion occurred in Plum, Pennsylvania on February 20th, 2023, shaking the residential neighborhood. Emergency responders received multiple calls about the blast on Rustic Ridge Drive. Upon arrival, they found that one house had been completely leveled, while several nearby homes were engulfed in flames. Tragically, 6 people lost their lives, 3 homes were entirely destroyed, and more than a dozen others suffered severe damage. Firefighters worked quickly to extinguish the flames, searching through the rubble to prevent further spread and locate survivors. Initial investigations suggested that the cause might be related to the home's propane gas system. September 30th, 2016, a crane truck unexpectedly suffered a technical failure and caught fire at the intersection of Route 415 and Route 52. Near Vaugirard, France, the flames quickly spread, triggering a series of explosions due to the pressure from gas cylinders on the vehicle, sending debris flying into nearby residential areas.
Donc là on se situe sur...
Firefighters from both France and Germany worked together to fully control the blaze within a few hours. Fortunately, the driver sustained only minor injuries and did not require hospitalization. The roadway was closed during the emergency response and was reopened at 9. June 13, 2020, a massive explosion occurred in Wyoming when a 116-car Union Pacific train derailed near Rock Springs.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
More than 30 cars overturned, including several carrying alcohol, which caught fire and exploded shortly after, generating an intense blaze and a thick column of black smoke visible from miles away. Firefighters quickly arrived at the scene and battled the flames for several hours. The fire was not fully contained until the early hours of the next day. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, but 9 train cars were destroyed due to the heat and explosions.
It's a wildfire now or something, or what?
The train tipped over, but so you got the train on its side, so something caught on fire from the train.
Can't get out the
I got
car.
you. Hey, lay down, okay? Nah, this is just best. It's gonna be the back right side of the dead end.
On the morning of October 26, 2020, a major fire broke out at a house on West 16th Street, Bryan, Texas. Sheriff Marshal Field arrived at the scene and heard the screams of a man trapped inside the house.
I can't get out the car.
I got you. Hey, lay down, okay?
Please help me.
I need breaching tools, metal cast door. Right here. I got a blade down. Hey, look, call to me. He can't get these bars open.
He quickly approached, found the man stuck in the door, and guided him to stay calm. When firefighters arrived and broke open the door, they successfully rescued the victim.
Stay low. Hey, control your breathing. Just control your breathing.
Okay.
Hey, I need you to just control your breathing and stay low, okay, brother?
The cause of the fire was a faulty electrical outlet, and there was no functioning smoke detector in the house at the time of the fire.
There you go. Come on. Hey, come on. Nah, it's back to you now. Oh my God. Yes. Hey, is there anybody else in the house?
No, sir.
Hey, can you?
Let me go one side.
He can't hold his own. You ready?
Okay.
I got him.
Oh my God.
Smoke and fire coming from the front door.
One person trapped in the back of the house.
The San Bernardino City Fire Department responded to a serious fire at a single-story house. Thick smoke and flames were pouring out of the front door, with initial reports indicating that a victim was trapped inside.
223, I got reports of a trapped subject to the back of the house. You're going to be my ventilation. I want you to the roof. No problem with forcible entry in the front door right now.
Fire crews quickly deployed, with one team pulling a hose through the front door while another went to the roof for ventilation. After extinguishing the flames, the firefighters discovered the man trapped at the back of the house. They immediately began rescue efforts, providing first aid and bringing the victim out safely.
K1 medic engine 229 stage.
Medical services were also deployed right away in hopes of saving the victim.
K1 223. I'm going to go ahead and take command. I need you to come out here and talk to me. Do you got a chance? Go you. Give me 1 second, we're on middle CPR. Stand by. And I'm going to make you medical. As I see right now, Ben's got the patient. DRA just has a power line down to the south of the house. Majority of the fire is going to be to the east portion of the house. Engine 1, go ahead and come on in and assist with fire attack. I'm going to need your 2 out. 221, copy.
A vehicle burst into flames on the 8 highway in Italy, prompting firefighters to respond swiftly to extinguish the blaze. During the operation, the vehicle unexpectedly exploded, creating additional challenges. Traffic came to a standstill as the fire crew worked urgently to put out the fire and prevent further danger from spreading. After relentless efforts, the flames were finally brought under control.
A firefighter was trapped above a two-story house engulfed in flames. Fortunately, his teammates on the ground acted quickly to rescue him, helping him escape the inferno just in time.
On May 14, 2012, a severe fire broke out at the Mermoz Tower in Roubaix, France. More than 200 residents were forced to evacuate urgently. The incident began around 3:00 p.m. when flames rapidly spread from the first floor to the upper levels due to flammable cladding materials. Despite a swift response from firefighters, they faced significant challenges due to the fire's intensity. By 4:30 p.m. after the efforts of 100 firefighters, the blaze was brought under control. Tragically, the fire claimed 1 life and injured 10 others. Subsequent investigations revealed that the cause of the fire was an electrical installation fault.
The fire has been extinguished, but the rescue mission seems to be far from over. A cat on the second-floor balcony is still waiting for help from the firefighters. It looks quite distressed, but fortunately, it survived.
Being evaluated and transported by hunters. All utilities have been secured inside the building. Roger. Evaluated, transported by hunters.
The fire at Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris on April 15, 2019, caused deep sorrow for millions worldwide as the iconic structure was devastated. The blaze broke out around 6:00 p.m. during renovation work on the roof. Despite firefighters' rapid response, the fire spread at an alarming rate due to the wooden framework and roof structure.
C'est remarquable, merci. Ok. Là, on voit une lance là. Là, les mecs,
Within hours, the roof was completely destroyed, leading to the collapse of the spire and severe damage to the interior. The fire was not fully extinguished until the following morning. Initial investigations determined that an electrical short circuit was the primary cause. However, there was a silver lining. Notre Dame's main structure remained intact, along with many priceless artworks and relics. The Bakersfield Fire Department received a garage fire report at 2:30 p.m. on December 16, 2023. Upon arriving at the scene at Weatherly Drive and Stockdale Highway, firefighters found intense flames and thick smoke pouring from the garage. Residents were safely evacuated, and traffic in the area was temporarily restricted, ensuring no injuries occurred. Thanks to a swift response, the fire was extinguished in time, preventing it from spreading to the neighboring house. On November 17, 2016, a fire destroyed FS Row Billard, the building that once housed Canada's first movie theater, located near Chinatown in Montreal. The blaze broke out around 11, quickly spreading and engulfing the top floor of the building. And after several hours of effort, the fire was brought under control. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, but the building suffered extensive damage.
The Brandon Fire and Emergency Services and Brandon Police responded to a fire at the Inland Kenworth business at 1240 Highland Avenue. When the fire department arrived, thick smoke was pouring out of the garage and flames were rising from the upper doors. firefighters faced challenges with water supply as the nearest hydrant was frozen and the next one was too far. The fire grew intense, accompanied by several large explosions, sending black smoke into the sky. By 12:30 a.m. the following day, the fire was mostly under control. There were no casualties, but do you think the property damage in this situation was truly significant?
Thank you for watching until the end. We're thrilled to have you with us. Don't forget to hit follow and turn on notifications to stay updated with our exciting upcoming content. See you in the next video.